Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I cut my bangs at home. This is a really quick and simple tutorial, so without further ado, let's get started! You need a pair of scissors, comb, clips, and a basin or bin to catch all your hair. First, divide your fringe into 3 parts. I like to part mine slightly towards the right side so I can have a side bangs after a few weeks without having to trim my fringe again. Next, clip up the 2 sides portion and we will start with the middle one. Pull down your fringe and cut it slightly below your eyes. Do not be afraid if it is not as straight as we will be trimming it again later. Also, do not cut it too short as your fringe will bounce up after that. Now, trim your fringe again to make sure it is straight and cut some layer by holding your scissors vertically. Next, remove the clip on your right side and cut your fringe diagonally starting from the middle. The angle of your diagonal depends on how long you want the sides to be. I like mine to be longer so that it can cover the sides of my face. Then, layer your bangs again to make it more natural. After that, repeat the same steps for your left portion. But this time, start from the outer corner and cut an upwards diagonal towards the middle. And you're done! Look at all the fringe that I cut away. Now, let me show you how I usually style my bangs to give it more volume. First, take the middle portion of your bangs and curl it downwards. Then, curl both the sides portion inwards. I normally set my curling iron to 150 degrees or 170 degrees when I'm in a rush. After that, take the top part of the fringe and curl it downwards from the roots. Be careful not to burn your scalp. That's all, not difficult, right? Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you find this tutorial useful. If you like it, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. So till next time, bye bye!